is my own. I know that it's higher than my own soul. I know that your love surpasses all pain. I know, yeah.
Hey my love, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jalisha, but you can call me JoJo. In this video, I'm just showing you guys my first attempt on doing some butterfly locks that my sister requested for me to do. So the first step that I'm doing, I'm just going in to individually braid down her hair. From the video that I seen, I just kind of mimicked, and yeah, you want to make sure that you have all of the hair braided down individually first. So take your time with that. Try to get the parts as neat as possible. I cannot even tell you the last time that I have done braids, so this is crazy because it's been so long. Be neat as possible and try to get the parts how you want them to go prior to adding the locks to the hair. And please take your time because there is no rush, so take your time if needed. And while we're watching, give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if there's something you seen I could have done differently or done better. Let me know, girl. Trust me, you won't hurt my feelings. But yeah, so you just want to be as neat as possible, and then we'll move on to the next step after this is completed. You guys can see, this is how it's turning out. For the braiding gel that I used, I'll make sure to have it linked in the description box so you guys can see. I really love this braiding gel. At first I started off with a different one, but once I realized that the texture of this braiding gel was just better for me, I was like, yeah, I'm sticking to this. Just check the description box. I'll make sure to have it listed below for you guys. Once you have the hair braided up, the second step will be to go ahead and start applying the butterfly locks to the braid. Once I was towards the top, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys so you guys can see specifically what I'm doing. Method that I am using, you will need a crocheting the hair in the braid. There's a loop from the butterfly lock. Once you crochet that into the hair, you're going to loop it through the hole and then loop the braid as well so that it won't be lumpy or form like some type of lump in the hair. So what worked for me is to go in first by crocheting the hair in and then going in to tighten the hair by adding the braid and then adding the butterfly lock through the loop. After it is secured, my next step is to go in and to hide the braid, because you can see the braid separately from the butterfly lock. Take the crochet needle and go through the butterfly lock. Take your time while doing this. It was a little tricky the first couple times because I've never used a crochet needle before. And what worked for me was to loop the braid around the crochet needle. Take the crochet needle, go through the butterfly lock, and then wrap the braid about 2 to 3 times around the crochet needle. And this prevented breakage from her natural hair, and it also prevented the braid from unraveling, and it also made the hair secure, pulling it through the butterfly lock. And I'm hoping this makes sense. If you do this the right way, this is considered a protective style. I cannot wait for you guys to see the outcome. Like I said, this is my very first time even attempting a style like this. So definitely let me know what you guys think.
Don't know one else to give you what you want. Shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking. 'Cause I depend on me if I want it. The watch I'm wearing, the house I live in, the car I'm driving. I depend on me. I depend on me.
Can't do this my own, no. I know that it's higher than my own.